Development on augmented reality, Apple glasses postponed indefinitely. Oh, God, you never like to hear the word indefinitely, do you? That sounds like forever. Like if somebody were to say to you, Will, this is your favorite restaurant, they're like, we're closed indefinitely.
Yeah, it's almost worse than scrapping the project.
You're like, what do you mean indefinitely?
Because it's unknown.
Do it definitely. At least be definitely. Apple has paused development on the augmented reality Apple glasses that it planned to introduce after its mixed reality headset. Reports Bloomberg work on the product has been postponed because of technical difficulties. Rumors suggest that Apple wanted to develop a pair of lightweight augmented reality glasses that would be similar to Google Glass smart glasses. The glasses would provide digital information overlaid on the real world rather than offering immersive virtual experiences like AR, VR, but Apple has not been able to develop the necessary hardware to produce a lightweight wearable that has the power of an iPhone and enough battery life to run it. So they want it to be an iPhone on your face, and iPhones are heavy. You know, if Apple does it, they're going to want it to be elegant. And when we start thinking about AR, or if you start thinking about, well, even Google Glass for that matter, like anything in this region of the face, anything you're wearing for that matter, you're just so cognizant of the form factor, the weight, the pressure points. This is a sensitive part of your body. Would you agree?
I agree. And it shouldn't look like this, I believe. I don't think people will accept this.
It shouldn't.
The look of it.
It shouldn't look like this, Will believes. Do you have an alternate drawing, product design?
I'll draw something, but it should look like
Glasses.
just regular
It
glasses.
should look like regular glasses. I think we're in agreement. And some companies have aimed to sort of tackle that. And if you look hard enough, you can tell, hey, there's something funky going on with those glasses. In most cases, in most products that we've seen to this point, Apple might want to make something that is truly indistinguishable from modern glasses when they start to consider their AR headset.
Maybe it is good for them to actually postpone it indefinitely.
Indefinitely? Yeah. Well, you're right. I mean, I assume they wouldn't, if they had some killer product that was ready to go, they would, sure, why not? Go sell it. And
Maybe they just need to wait for smaller components eventually.
They could be waiting a long time. It might not. We keep hearing similar things with the Apple car. They're like, we're rushing. It's going to be done by whenever. And then they're like, we're going to hold off on that. Apple initially wanted to release the Apple glasses in 2023 before delaying the project to 2025. According to Bloomberg, Apple employees do not believe that Apple will ever ship AR glasses, according to sources close to the matter. I don't know. It's hard to say ever, which is probably why the headline here says indefinitely. Ever is really hard to say in the tech space. It might be the thing everybody wants in a dozen years. But this is a type of technological miniaturization that we just haven't seen in a while. To shrink things to that scale, an iPhone in the frame of your regular looking glasses or iPhone-like power. Obviously, you don't need the display and other components. Maybe less battery because of it, but those capabilities in the glasses you're wearing right now, Will. Oh, baby.
That would be it, actually.
That's
the end game.
It is one of those things when you see that in its final form, it wears off on you and you become accustomed to it. And you're like, yes, of course.
Yeah, it makes sense.
We are humans. We make amazing things. And we all wear these glasses now.
Yeah.
In whatever it is, 20 years.